In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly change the filter inside the Prodigy's compressor. So you've either had an amber filter LED warning light or it has now turned to the red LED. This means it's time to change your filter. So make sure it's disconnected from the power supply. You're going to need 2.5mm hex key and yeah, we're good to go. So we're going to take these 4 screws out here. Okay, you're going to take this off and it's going to reveal the filter. Now we'll swap this out with a new one. So add the new one, and then we're going to go ahead and apply some Loctite 222 to hold the cover back in place. Cool, and there you have it, there's your filter replaced. Now go ahead and plug it into your power supply and press the run button for 5 seconds and that'll reset the filter LED light. Now you're good to go. Alright, hope you found this video useful and we'll see you next time.